Hello everybody, how are you? Today we are going to revise Unit 6. It's a revision on Unit 6. Pupils book page from page 60 to 69 and activity book from page 58 to 67. First of all, let's revise the vocabulary of this unit. Kitchen, living room, house, garden, bedroom, bathroom, flat, bed, cooker, fridge, TV, sofa, lamp, bath, sink, feather, buff, lemon, doll, In this unit, you learned to make a question about or using do and using where. For example, do you live in a flat? Do you live in a house? Do you live in a flat? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you live in a house? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Where do you live? I live in Saudi Arabia. Where do you live? I live in a flat. Where is Rita? She's in the kitchen. Where is Rita? She's in the kitchen. Where are, for example, where are the boys? They are in the living room. They are in the garden. They are in the kitchen. There is a cat. There are 2 lamps. There is a TV in the sink. There are 2 lamps on the bed. In your booklet, worksheet number 4, write the words under the pictures. Let's read these words first, then you have to write them under each picture. House, living room, kitchen, garden. What's number 1? Number 1 is a garden. What's number 2? A house. What's number 3? It's living room. What's the last one? It's kitchen. Let's go to next exercise B. Write the missing letters. What's this in the picture? Not this, but the whole picture. Which room is it? It's bedroom. E and O. What's here in the picture? It's the bathroom. A and R. What's here? It's flat. L A. What's this? It's bed. What's this? It's cooker. C and E. What's this? It's a fridge. F and G. What's this? It's a TV. TV. Don't forget to write them capital letters. The last one, what's this in the picture? It's sofa. S and F. Let's go to next exercise. Exercise C. Write the sentences or the sentence neatly. Ali's family live in a flat. You have to write the sentence between the lines neatly. Don't forget to leave spaces between words. Look. Ali's family live in a flat. And full stop. Let's go to next worksheet. Exercise A. Rearrange, then write. We have live, do, big, a, you, house, in. The first one will be do. So, do you live in a big house? Do you live in a big house? Next one, Brazil, you, do, in, live. You will start with do you, of course, do you live in Brazil? The number 3 is you live flat, a, do, in. So you will rearrange to make a question. You will write do you live in a flat. Nice. The last one, live Saudi Arabia, you, do, in. You will say do you live in Saudi Arabia? If you want to answer this question, you will say yes I do or no I don't. Do you live in Brazil? No I don't, because you live in Saudi Arabia. Do you live in a flat? If you live in a flat, you will say yes I do. If you don't live in a flat, you will say no I don't. Do you live in Saudi Arabia? Yes I do. Next exercise, it's write the sentence neatly. Sentence number 1, there are lots of flats in my country. Please be careful while you are writing between the lines. Don't forget capital letters. Don't forget to leave spaces. Don't forget by the end of the sentence put full stop. My brother is in the living room. You will start with my, capital M, my brother, and leave space, is living in the living room. Next worksheet, match the words with the pictures, not words, with the pictures. Yeah, here picture of a sink. The word lemon will be go to lemon. Next one, doll or sink will be go to sink. Next one, doll will go to doll. After that, it's bath will go to bath. Then buff will go to buff. The last one is feather. Please match this in your booklet. If you finish, try to revise. Write the sentence neatly, or the sentences. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Saudi Arabia. Please write where do you live here, and I live in Saudi Arabia, write it here. If you write it on the lines and leave space, don't forget that. Yeah, between lines and leave space. Where do you live? And this, I live in Saudi Arabia. I live in Saudi Arabia, and leave space between words. This is the end of the revision for Unit 6. See you next time. Goodbye.